Hola a todos. This is just a short video showing you how to use Flipgrid because I've been getting messages about having trouble how to get into Flipgrid. So I'm in student view, and all you have to do is click here. Where is it, Flipgrid? And just wait for this to appear. So what you do, you click. You're gonna click here, anywhere here, okay? And you see this big green button. Just click here. If you get this message, say allow, okay? If you want, you can remember the decision. And there you go. There's me. Hey, hi, how you doing? So basically that's what you need to do, alright? So like always, if you have any questions, just let me know. Take care, bye.